Hello everybody, today I will again continue the chapter carbon. Today I will discuss about carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon dioxide was first prepared in 1630 by Van Helmont. Later in 1755, Joseph Black identified carbon dioxide as a constituent of carbonate. Finally, in 1783, Antoine Lavoisier discovered its composition as an oxide of carbon. He named it acid carbonic. Later on, it was named as carbon dioxide. Now, occurrence of carbon dioxide. It occurs both in free as well as combined state. In free state, it is present in air to the extent of 0.02% to 0.04%. Because of its solubility in water, all water bodies contain it. It accumulates near caves, mines, and wells due to its high density. In the combined state, it exists as mineral carbonate. Now, preparation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be prepared in the following ways. By the reaction of dilute acids with metal carbonate, by burning carbon, by heating metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonate. I will discuss one by one. First, by reaction of dilute acid with metal carbonate. See, this is the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. This is the arrangement of apparatus. A few chips of marble means calcium carbonate CaCO3 are taken in a Oats bottle. This is this bottle, which is a double-mouthed glass bottle with two necks. A few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid are added through a thistle funnel. This is thistle funnel, and effervescence is observed when the acid reacts with marble and carbon dioxide is released. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so it is collected by the upward displacement of air in a glass jar. See, this is the reaction of laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus 2HCl, calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide is formed. Next, by burning carbon. Carbon dioxide can be prepared by burning carbon in the presence of excess air or oxygen. Means fuel containing carbon release carbon dioxide on burning. See the reaction: carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus heat. So fuel plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, heat and light. So carbon when burns in air in excess in sufficient supply of oxygen, then carbon dioxide is formed. When carbon is burned in limited supply of oxygen, then carbon monoxide is formed, and it also burns with pale blue flame forming carbon dioxide. So C plus O2, carbon monoxide, this is carbon monoxide. When carbon monoxide again heated, then carbon dioxide is formed. Now third, by heating metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Carbon dioxide is also obtained by heating metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. See the example: calcium carbonate when heated strongly, calcium carbonate or limestone, when heated strongly, then calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is produced. See another example: when sodium NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, is heated, then sodium carbonate, water vapor and carbon dioxide is formed. Next, carbon dioxide can also be prepared by treating carbonates or bicarbonates with dilute acid. See the reaction. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus H2SO4, Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2. See the experiment. This is the apparatus, arrangement of apparatus. A dry test tube is taken and a little of sodium carbonate, means washing soda, is put into it. Some dilute sulfuric acid is put into this test tube. The opening of the test tube is closed. If a burning candle is brought near the opening of the test tube, we will observe that burning candle goes off. So this experiment shows that carbon dioxide is produced when acid is poured on the washing soda. This experiment also shows the non-combustibility of carbon dioxide, means carbon dioxide does not support combustion. Now test for carbon dioxide. See the first experiment. On putting a burning candle or a burning splinter in a jar which contains carbon dioxide, it is observed that the flame gets extinguished. This shows that carbon dioxide does not support combustion. Now see the second experiment. On passing carbon dioxide through lime water turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, which is insoluble. However, when excess of carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, the milkiness disappears due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate, which is soluble in water. See the reaction. Calcium hydroxide CaOH2 plus carbon dioxide from CaCO3 calcium carbonate. It is insoluble and water. Now I will discuss about physical properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an odorless and a colorless gas. It is slightly acidic in nature and is fairly soluble in water. Number 3, it is a non-poisonous gas. However, if the concentration of carbon dioxide in air is increased, it can cause suffocation because of CO2 carbon dioxide cuts off necessary supply of oxygen. As a result, a person gets suffocation or dies due to the lack of oxygen in the atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Number 4, it is heavier than air. Its vapor density is 22, whereas that of air is 14.4. Number 5, carbon dioxide, when cooled down to minus 78 degrees centigrade, forms dry ice, which is a snow white solid. It is called dry ice because on heating, it directly changes from a solid phase to from gaseous carbon dioxide. Dry ice is used in the manufacturing of products like plastic, chemicals, beverage, and metals. Now I will discuss about chemical properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a compound formed by covalent bonding of carbon and oxygen. It does not support combustion. It turns moist blue litmus into red, which shows that carbon dioxide gas is acidic in nature. carbon dioxide dissolve in water and forms carbonic acid. See the reaction, CO2 plus H2O, H2CO3, this is carbonic acid. Now action with sodium hydroxide. Carbon dioxide on reacting with sodium hydroxide forms sodium carbonate, NaOH plus CO2, Na2CO3 plus H2O. Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate. Now action with lime water. Carbon dioxide on reaction with lime water means calcium hydroxide or slaked lime forms calcium carbonate and water, which is insoluble in water. Calcium carbonate is insoluble in water. Due to this reason, lime water turns milky. When excess of carbon dioxide is passed, then milkiness disappears due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. So CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2 forms calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 whole 2. Now action with metal. Carbon dioxide on reacting with metals decomposes to form carbon and oxygen. The oxygen liberate react with metals to form metal oxide. So Mg plus CO2 from MgO plus C. When magnesium react with carbon dioxide, then magnesium oxide and carbon is formed. Action with metallic oxide. Carbon dioxide react with metallic oxide to form metal carbonate. See example, when sodium oxide Na2O react with carbon dioxide form sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Now I will discuss about uses of carbon dioxide. First one, manufacture of fizzy drinks. Carbon dioxide gas dissolve rapidly under pressure. It gets dissolved in sugar solution containing defined flavor. These soft drinks are sometimes called fizzy drinks because when bottle is opened, it produces a lots of fizz. So for this carbon dioxide is used for manufacture of fizzy drinks. Number 2, carbon dioxide is used manufacture of chemicals. Carbon dioxide is used in a large amount in the manufacture of many industrial chemicals such as washing soda, baking soda, etc. Number 3, manufacture of dry ice. When carbon dioxide is cooled below minus 78 degrees centigrade, it freezes to a white ice-like solid, which is called dry ice. Dry ice produce very low temperature and hence is used for food preservation. Number 4, as a respiratory stimulant. Oxygen mixed with 5% carbon dioxide is named as carbogen. It stimulates the respiratory organs. Carbogen helps in the case of gas poisoning and suffocation. Carbon dioxide also used in photosynthesis. Green plants contain chlorophyll, which traps solar energy and binds carbon dioxide of air and water in the form of carbohydrates by a process known as photosynthesis. See the reaction of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide CO2 plus H2O, C6H12O6, this is glucose means starch, plus H2O plus oxygen. Number 6, manufacture of fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide is used as manufacture of fire extinguisher. Most of the fire extinguisher in their chemical reaction generate carbon dioxide gas. This gas actually helps to extinguish fire because of two reasons. Firstly, carbon dioxide is a non-supporter of combustion. Secondly, carbon dioxide is heavier than air, so it forms a blanket on the surface of air and cuts off the oxygen supply, due to which the fire gets extinguished. Next, carbon dioxide is used in baking industry. Carbon dioxide is used in baking industry to make dough rise and become light. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and potassium hydrogen tartrate. On adding baking powder to the dough, the ingredients of baking soda react to produce carbon dioxide. When the gas rises through the dough, spaces are formed and the dough becomes porous, thus making cakes and bread light, soft and spongy. Carbon dioxide is used in the manufacture of baking soda and washing soda. Baking soda means sodium bicarbonate. Washing soda means sodium carbonate. This is for today. Thank you.